Hello everyone. Today we are going to chapter 2. I'm going to explain about negative. The word negative in bahasa Melayu is bukan. Chapter 2 or bab 2. Nouns. Negative, bukan. Bukan means not. It's a negative word. When you want to turn affirmative sentence into negative, previous statement, question or shock, you place the word bukan immediately before the word it qualifies. For example, ini kerusi, bukan bangku. This is a chair. Ini kerusi. This is a chair. Bukan bangku, not a bench. So bukan means not. Usually we put bukan before the noun or pronoun. Second sentence. Itu majalah, bukan journal. That is a magazine, not a journal. That, itu, majalah, magazine. Journal, journal. So, itu majalah. Or you can short it. Tu majalah, bukan magazine. Next sentence. Ini pensil, bukan berus. These are pencils, not brushes. Or, ni pensel, bukan berus. Itu kerusi, bukan meja. Or, tu kerusi, bukan meja. Those are chairs, not tables. Like previous lesson, I already explained about the noun. This one noun could be singular or plural. So the translation for this sentence. That is a chair, not tables. Singular or plural, those are chairs, not tables. These are the words for memorization. Nouns. Bangku means bench. Bangku. Jam means watch or clock. Kipas, fan. Laci, drawer. Loceng, bell. Loceng. E here is the first E. A. Loceng, bell. Majalah, magazine. Kayu bedik, joystick. Mancis, matches. Pisau, knife. Berus, brush. Cakra laser, laser disc. Surat khabar, newspaper. Journal, journal. Tetikus, mouse. This tetikus for computer. If just the word tikus, tikus means mouse for animal. Tetikus, mouse for computer. Exercise. So let us together translate the following sentence into bahasa Melayu. First sentence. That is a mouse, not a joystick. So the translation. Itu tetikus, bukan kayu bedik. Use with a computer. Use, guna. Digunakan, being used. With, dengan. Dengan. A computer, computer. Itu tetikus, bukan kayu bedik. Number 2. This is a laser disc, not a compact disc. Ini cakra laser, bukan cakra padat. Ini cakra laser. This is a laser disc. Cakra, disc. Laser, laser. Not a compact disc. Not, bukan. Compact disc, CD. Compact means padat. This chakra. Third sentence, this is a magazine, not a newspaper. Ini majalah. Ini majalah. There's a missing H here. Ini majalah, bukan surat khabar. Majalah, magazine. Newspaper, surat khabar. Number 4. This is a fan, not a bell. Ini kipas, bukan loceng. Number 5. This is a pencil, not a pen. Ini pencil or ini pensel, bukan pen. Number 6. That is a drawer, not a table. Itu laci, bukan meja. That is a drawer. Itu drawer, laci, not a table, bukan meja. 7. Those are clocks, not lamps. Itu jam, bukan lampu. 8. This is a bench, not a chair. Ini bangku, bukan kerusi. 9. That is a knife, not a pen. Itu pisau, bukan pen. Number 10. Those are brushes, not pencils. Itu berus, bukan pensel. 11. That is a basket, not a fan. Itu bakul, bukan kipas. And last, number 12. These are magazines, not books. Ini majalah, bukan buku. Magazine, majalah. Book, buku. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and see you in the next video.